friends, welcome to the atrium. You will notice that we have recently put this coating on this horrible brick made out of bricks. This gives a much better look and feel. And today I will show you how to cut a brick of 14 centimeters with a small angle grinder. So the difficulty we have is that here this is 14 centimeters and my grinder is by far smaller. Nevertheless, this is possible, so let's go. In case you haven't seen so far the video about the grinder, please have a look at it because it's a little bit a dangerous tool. And today I'll be putting some protection for the eyes, for the nose, and also for the ears because it's a very loud works. Then I have a marker, then I have a combination square. And as I'm working on little bricks, I will also use the speed clamps. So we are starting with this one, and for this one we'll make a length of 10 centimeters. In this specific case, I will take speed clamps. So here I made a cut of a small piece for putting on the right over there because I have two little pieces, so it avoids me to kill another brick. These are less resources, meaning less energy, so this is good.